Hi, and welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's be seeing decentralized access control with anonymous authentication of data stored in cloud process. In this process, without third-party server accessing process, we, we can accessing a data we can accessing a data from cloud. That means user and cloud will be accessing a file. So this process via how to security provide, it's main important issue for our process. This is our flow diagram. First of all, we need start for our start process, and then cloud configuration starter store the information detail, and then if configuration successfully means data stored and downloading data. If account will be activated means encrypted data to store in cloud with key access. Initially we run it overall package. This is our server form, and then we run it client provider form. First of all, we need to log in for admin. This is our login form. So some user already log in this process. So now I am giving the port ID here. Sign up in this form via you have to register the client information. Everything is mandatory field, so we need to fill it everything. User asking policy wise, we have to choose the upload and downloading policies, and then user limitation we need to choose. That means 50 MB means file accessing privilege only 50 MB. Then we need to submit button, give to submit button, and then policy end date mention here. Like this format wise only we need to mention the policy end date. Is getting to automatically policy start date. Then first of all we need to check it the server is start or not. If not start mean we need to start it the server. Submit data sending successfully. Receive it data successfully. Then we need to close it for client form. Store the data. So on client information add in server page. Now activation status is 0. Again run it cloud provider form. Ravi 111 post login verifications into the server. Verified successfully. Account login verification completed here. If login successfully means this Ravi client going to the main panel. So this is our main panel. Before activation successfully, only we can accessing a file, otherwise we can't do accessing a file. First of all, you need to check it accounts whether it is activated or not. It's into the client, not activated now, please try it again later. So we need to give the request for a server, please activate my account. Activated successfully. Activation successfully Ravi account. So now will be changed for 1. Delete client detail is not necessary for our process. Now we have uploading a file. So we need to edit verification process. Verification started. If successfully means that all the column will filled. Now we click to show button and then go to cloud server form, then click to show on table button. So every file show in this client panel. So we choose the any one file and we give the corresponding file key values. Before clicking OK button, we need to go to cloud server form and then click to receive key and files, then click OK. So this process where only valid person can accessing a file. Match successfully retrieve and then click send to file. The particular person receiving a file and then click decrypt button. Description.txt file decrypted successfully. Now we can access that file. So we are going to the C drive secure temp folder. This is our corresponding encryption file and then of decryption file showing here. Thank you.